Hey everyone! Welcome to Miracle Learnings, where everyday skills turn into extraordinary tools. If you've ever stared at an Excel sheet wondering how to build the perfect formula, today is your lucky day. In this video, we're diving into how to create powerful Excel formulas using Copilot. Yep, that's right, AI is here to make your spreadsheet life easier, faster, and way more intuitive. Whether you're crunching numbers, cleaning data, or just trying to make sense of your rows and columns, Copilot can help you build formulas without memorizing every function or syntax. Stick around, because I'll show you real examples, smart shortcuts, and how to turn your Excel sheet into a productivity powerhouse with just a few prompts. Hit subscribe, like button, and tap the bell so you don't miss out on more miracle level learning. Let's get started. Get ready to dive into something really cool using Copilot to create smart formulas for your Excel data. We're going to explore the awesome index plus match combo, which is like the superhero of lookup tools in Excel. Our goal: to find out the values for salary, department, and age, all while keeping it fun and easy. First things first, open up Copilot in Microsoft Edge. Let's get this assistant working for us. Next, grab your data table from Excel and paste it right into Copilot. This is where the magic starts. Make sure your table is neat and tidy because Copilot really shines when your data is crystal clear. And remember, your table range is B2 to F1 to keep that in mind as we build our formula. Here's the fun part. We're using C14 as a dynamic cell reference. This means your formula will change based on W. That's in C14 super handy for flexible lookups. Once your table's ready, paste it into Copilot. Now, let's tell Copilot what we want. Just type, I want a formula in Excel, index plus match. My table is above. Table data is in B2 F12, and dynamic data is in C14, which is the name. Hit enter and boom. Copilot whips up the perfect formula to look up ID, department, age, and salary. Let's snag the formula for salary first. Copy it from Copilot and paste it right into your Excel sheet. Then, do the same for age and finally for department. And just like that, you've got a fully dynamic index plus match setup, all powered by the value in C14. No more manual lookups, just smart, smooth automation. And there you have it, your Excel sheet just got a serious upgrade. With Copilot by your side, creating powerful formulas like index plus match isn't just easy, it's practically effortless. No more second-guessing syntax or digging through help articles. Just describe what you need and let Copilot do the heavy lifting. Whether you're pulling salary, age, or department data dynamically, you're now equipped to build smarter spreadsheets in seconds. If this blew your mind even a little, don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit that bell so you never miss another Excel tip powered by AI. Thanks for watching and keep those formulas flowing.